welcome back to the channel, Mother Flowers. Okay, so today's a big day. We're gonna hit the border and do a border crossing. So I've done a border crossing before in Ecuador, actually many times, but I've crossed mainly at the Ipiales border. Now we are at the Hormiga border. Apparently this border is supposed to be a lot less stressful. I hope so. I've done a lot of border crossings, and the Ipiales one is not as, it's pretty easy border, but the people sometimes they make it so difficult. So yeah, I've had some issues at the Ipiales border, so this is a new border for me. So we'll see how it goes. Today is just a border day. That was a good breakfast. Time to hit the road. Okay, seems like everything is one building to stamp out. Alright, let's get this done. Okay? 3 kilometers?
Yeah, and there's migration and
okay.
Ecuador.
Ecuador y Colombia. Ah, okay, perfecto. Okay, gracias. Alright, well this is actually not it. So we're actually gonna cross the bridge before do any stamping, which is quite strange to me. But he said the two buildings are next to each other. So he said about 3 kilometers up is actually the building for everything, so buenas. Necesito salida Colombia y entrada Ecuador.
A la derecha, en la segunda puerta.
Sí, ok.
A la derecha, en la segunda puerta, ahí ingresan, ahí es migración de Colombia y de Ecuador.
Ok, sí, migración allá.
Sí.
Ok. ¿Verdad? Gracias. Ecuador.
Second door, which is this?
I'm already happy with this border. It's so chill. There's no one here. Fuck. Oh, this is perfect. Yeah, so far so good. Y salida.
Y también pasaporte. Sí. Ahí, al frente es Colombia y al otro lado es Ecuador.
¿Colombia es acá?
Aquí pasaporte, sí, ahí.
Ah, ok.
La materia es Colombia. De ahí están las motos aquí abajo.
Ah, ok. Gracias. Alright, so you have to, one of the things you have to do is get copies of your passport photo, your stamp in to Ecuador, copy of your registration and license, driver's license, and title. So you need copies of all that stuff. I don't believe you need all that stuff for the Ipiales border. I don't remember doing all that for the Ipiales border, but this border you definitely have to do it. And you get that information, you get that here, which is, the building is directly over here on this side, but you get it from here. So it's directly across the street from the building. What they'll do is they'll ask, what they'll do is they'll ask you where your bike is parked, and then they'll go and take pictures of your bike. Because generally, I remember at the Ipiales border, the agent came out and actually took a photo of the bike. But here they do it from the copias office, and then they'll walk over and then they will take photos of your bike, come back, print them up, or send them to the guy in the office. So yeah, pretty easy, pretty simple. All right, so we have a recap on the border crossing here. So when you walk in through these doors, you're gonna see Colombia immigration on the right, and then you're gonna walk. Once you do that, you're gonna start stamping out, and then this is where you cancel your temporary import here, and then after you do that, you come back over here, and you have the immigration on the left here for Ecuador. And then you come to this counter here, and this is the aduanas for Ecuador. So those are all the places you have to go. But just keep in mind that when you do cancel your temporary import and you get stamped into Ecuador, before you go to the aduanas to get your temporary import for Ecuador, you have to go to the copy place, which is across the street. You can kind of see it. There's a red sign there, pretty bright red. Yeah, and that's pretty much it. It took us about 2 hours, but only because I had a situation with my extension for the temporary import. So other than that, I think it would probably take you about an hour tops. So, but yeah, hope you guys enjoyed the video. Hope it was informational, and you guys would be able to definitely come out here and get to this border. This border is definitely a lot easier than EP52. Definitely. So it's a lot slower. There's not as many people around. So it's absolutely, I love this border compared to the EP52 border. So anyways, thanks for watching, guys. I will see you guys next time on the road.